This is Bill at Zultys for the Getting Started Guide to the Zultys mobile app. This will be using the latest version of the mobile app. I'll be showing you this on my iPhone, but the Android is a very similar look and feel. You would go to the appropriate store for Apple devices, the Apple App Store, for Android devices, the Google Play Store, and then go ahead and download the client. The Zultys Mobile Communicator is the name of the software. You would go ahead and download it like I'm doing here, and then we'll go ahead and launch it. So Zultys Mobile Client has most of the features of our ZAC application, and it runs on Android and iPhone devices. So I'm going to go ahead now and open it. And first you're going to do is you want to turn on notifications. You want to allow that. That'll let you know when a call is ringing, for example. Then we'll go ahead and enter my information. All right, and I'll save my password. And so we'll log in, and first thing you'll want to do is you want to give it access to your contacts. Assuming you want to let the phone access the address book on your cell phone, which you probably want to do. Now, if you're logged into if you're a member of any call groups, you can go ahead and log into those. Most people are probably not going to be, so I'll go ahead and log in. So here I'm logged in, ready to use the phone. There's not much else that you need to do as far as setup goes because it's now pretty much set up. So if I wanted to call someone, I can tap here on the call, and I can call either their extension or their cell phone. Now it's just going to ask you if you want to have access to the microphone, and you're sure going to want to say yes. So go ahead and say yes. And so that's all it takes to do an outgoing call. If I wanted to do an instant message with someone, I can go ahead and tap the instant message, and then I could send them an instant message. And then they can reply back. So it's using the Zultys instant message system for this. So I can send an SMS message as well if you have that service available. To access voicemail, you can simply go down here to the voicemail system. Go ahead and tap that. In this case, I don't have any voicemail messages, but if I did, I would see them. And then I can go here and see my call recordings, the on-demand call recordings, and my deleted. If I wanted to actually record my voicemail greeting, I can go up here and tap this. So to record my name, I can simply tap this icon, Bill Vlahos. Then I can play it to make sure that it's what I want.
Bill Vlahos.
All right, if I wanted to record any greetings, I can go ahead and do this as well down in the greetings. And I can look at recent calls and or messages. So when I go to my contacts, I can either access everybody on the phone system, that's the address book here, or I can go access my local contacts by tapping this number here. And in either case, I can go ahead and call from the mobile app, and I'm not going to be exposing the caller ID of my cell phone. And here's what an incoming call would look like. So I can go ahead and I can tell it's a Zultys call because it says right up here, Zultys audio call. I can go ahead and answer it if I want, or I can decline it. Go ahead and answer it. And now I've answered the call on my mobile device. And I have access to all of the features. I can mute the call. I can do the on-demand call recording if I enable for that. If I wanted to conference people in, I could click this button to conference people in. I could transfer calls, and I could transfer calls to any other extension or outside number. And I can mute the call, hook the call on hold, and park the call. So again, I have all of the features that I would expect to have on my ZAC application right here on my cell phone. If I wanted to dial a number, dial a number straight, I can just tap the number pad here and then dial a phone number from there. Have most of the features of our ZAC application on your mobile phone, and you're not using caller ID of your cell phone, you're actually using the caller ID of the phone system itself. So I can see the presence and status of the other employees here. I have access to my buddies and my contacts and my local contacts. To change my presence, I can go up here, tap this, I can set my presence, I can type a note, and this is where I can log off. So that's the Getting Started to using the Zultys mobile app on your iPhone or Android. Thanks very much for watching.